married to one man called His Excellency Gachagua, the Rigiji, and the truthful man. I am the founder and the patron of APEC, which is Association of Pentecostal and Evangelical Clergy of Kenya, of which our brother was part and has worked very seriously to make sure that the vision that God gave us concerning the vulnerable population is being rooted here in Machakos, in Eastern and the entire nation. The Association of Pentecostal and Evangelical Clergy is a vehicle of revival. It is not an umbrella body. It is not an organization or a denominational organization that is sitting to do anything else. Its primary objective is to bring revival. It is the voice of the vulnerable and the organization fighting against alcohol and drug abuse. We are working to make sure that our children live and live long life, and we are fighting for a sober nation that is able to drive the initiatives and for our population that is very productive, especially for the boy child. And as you see me standing here, I'm a champion of the boy child, and I'm advocating that they be treated equal to the girl child, because male and female, God created them both. Finally, I want to speak about, as a APEC, we drive the church agenda. And the church agenda, it can be very tragic if the Church of Jesus Christ is not standing by the truth. If the Church of Jesus Christ does not rise in the spirit of truth, in the spirit of being the conscience of the society, directing and making sure that every person is served with justice, then we would have failed our God. We must direct, and we must be able to speak to the lives of people and bringing them to God. You have just seen our father of faith. When he spoke, he did not tell us about many things. He told us about Christ crucified. He's not ashamed of the gospel. I am not ashamed of the gospel. And we are going to preach this gospel. We are going to tell people, you must pray. You must believe in God. Our brother here, he died while serving. How I pray that you will also die when you are serving. Because when you die while serving, you only sleep. And that's why we are not mourning like other people. We are mourning him with a hope. For I know one day I will meet with him. The question is, yourself, one day will you meet with him? You cannot meet with him if you don't believe in Jesus Christ. You cannot meet with him if you are not saved. We will only lie to yourself. You can be a worshiper, but if you don't know God, it is a waste of time. This brother who is sleeping here has a testimony from his wife, from his children, and the children of faith, and you shall know them by the fruits. And when I see all of you, I see the legacy of our brother. God bless you, and God honor you.
Thank you.